Set along the banks of the Wolastoq River and built in 2012, this luxury home is a waterfront dream.
Welcome to 40 Awesome Way.
The spectacular views start as soon as you enter the home, from the open concept living room with a propane fireplace and patio doors to the balcony.
The kitchen is a testament to the home's beautiful built-ins, cabinets, and millwork. It has a large granite-topped island with a breakfast bar and a butler's pantry.
This area is also home to a reading nook and the dining area with views of the water.
The built-in storage solutions showcase the home's thoughtful design.
The thoughtful design continues in the pantry.
The primary bedroom has 2 walk-in closets, balcony access, stunning water views.
And an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in tile shower and soaker tub.
The main floor also has a den or potential bedroom.
And a laundry room, full bathroom, and access to the insulated triple bay garage.
The loft offers even more flexible space for another bedroom, an office, a playroom, or whatever your family needs.
Downstairs, the space and the views continue in this walkout lower level with a rec room,
plus 3 more bedrooms, each with a walk-in closet and another full bathroom.
plus a large family room and lots of extra storage.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 40 Awesome Way,
visit frederictonhomes.com.